earlier in this set, we worked on telling major chords and minor chords apart from each other using a feel-based approach. This one feels vibrant and happy, it's major. This one feels kind of sad and melancholy, and therefore it's minor. We're going to throw one other chord into the mix to make things a little bit more interesting. And I actually think this one's the easiest to identify of all of them. I don't want to set you up for failure, but at least that's been my experience. And that is the diminished chord. Diminished chords are scary sounding. So we have happy, sad, and wait for it, scary. It's a very tense, harsh sounding chord. Sounds like it could be something from a horror movie or something like that. I'll give you a few more examples of diminished chords. Hoi. Oh no. Back. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a little bit of a sense of what you're listening for. And I'm going to play a variety of chords. They're either going to be major, minor, or diminished, and your job is to figure out which one. If you said minor, because it's kind of somber, you would be correct. This one is diminished because it has that scary, foreboding sound. We're a little sad with this one, a little melancholy. That makes this one a minor chord. Well, this one definitely doesn't sound somber. It's got a bright, vigorous major chord sound to it because it is a major chord. What I did there is change just a single note, and we went from major, nice, to scary. So that last one I did was diminished. This is a cheery little major chord. This one is a dark and somber minor chord. Nice, warm, open sounding major chord. That one's got some real scare value. That is a diminished chord. Let's keep this party going. Don't confuse the deeper pitch with anything other than major, because this is a major chord. We've got another major chord way up high, just shifting our pitch around, trying to practice identifying in different regions. Something dark and melancholy is happening with this minor chord. I find sometimes the higher pitch is a bit harder to identify, to hear the tones clearly, but this one is a minor chord. A nice, sunny major chord. Let's do two more. Even though it's high, this one has a lot of tension. It is a diminished chord. And again, this one's got a lot of tension, so it is diminished.